Next, we are supposed to write in both slope-intercept form and standard form the equation of a line that goes through a particular point and is perpendicular to another line. I'm going to call the 5x minus y equals 7 my first line. And I'm going to write that this way. Nice little scripty L. Line 1 has the equation 5x minus y equals 7. Line 2 is going to go through 15, 6. And it's going to be perpendicular to line 1. And most of the examples so far, we've had to know, besides a point that it goes through, the slope of the line. Well, that slope of the second line, since it's perpendicular to the first, is going to be related. Not the same as the slope of the first, but related because it's perpendicular. If I get that in slope-intercept form by subtracting 5x, that's a plus, then I have to have a positive 1y to say that y is isolated. I'm going to divide everything, both sides, all terms, by -1, which just has the effect of changing all those signs. And that gives me the slope of the first line, which I'll just abbreviate as M1. That's 5. So now I can plug in not 5 for the slope, but -1/5, the negative reciprocal of the slope of the first line, since the second line is perpendicular to the first line. Distribute. Negative, 1/5 times x, but then also 1/5 times -15. You're going to get some nice reduction there. It's 5 going into 15 nicely. Then add 6. -3 plus 6 is +3. So we've got y equals 1/5 of x plus 3. Now let's see, what doesn't it like? 1/5 of 15, that is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Did I lose a negative sign somewhere? I did. -1/5. So -1/5. -1/5 there, plus 3 there. When we add the 6 to get y alone, then, where'd it go? There we are. 3 plus 6 is 9. So that's going to be a -1/5 x plus 9. That's equal to y. Let's see if it likes that any better. See, we are human. -1/5 x plus 9. All right, that's good. Now we need it in standard form. So I will be adding 1/5 x. And then I've got to multiply both sides by 5 to get rid of that fraction. At least we have a positive coefficient for x. Five times 1/5 x is x, but you also have to multiply the 5 to the y. 5x plus y equals 45. X plus 5y equals 45. And there's a few things about checking this. 15 plus 5 times 6. It's going to be 15 plus 30 equals 45. So it does go through that point. And then the other thing, since the slopes are negative reciprocals of each other, notice how the 5 and the 1 have switched places in terms of what they're the coefficient of, and there's been one change in sign, that minus to a plus.